take a very deep breath, as deep as you can make it, allowing your belly to hang loose as you reach the top of the breath. Inhale deep, hold, release slowly. Welcome in. Thank you for joining me. I know that you're in a space right now where your feet might feel like they're not on the ground, where your head might be as high as the clouds and your heart might be beating as fast as a drummer in his solo. And that's okay. Your mind is at work here, and it's time to put it to ease. So together in these short few minutes, we will put that mind to ease so your body can go back to rest. The first thing I invite you to do is to connect with the earth. If at possible, if you're in a space that feels safe, to take your shirt off as well and allow your back to come against the earth, to feel the floor beneath you. If you're able to go outside comfortably and have a kind of top that allows a good amount of your back to still be in connection with the earth, do that, especially if you can go outside. Gently place yourself onto the ground, first seated, and then begin by taking a few deep breaths. Okay? So we're going to inhale deep and letting our belly fill all the way up. And then during the release, slow and calm. We're going to let all the air out. Okay? Begin. Inhale deep. Release. Again, inhale deep. Release. Relaxing our shoulders and your back. Relax. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. You're doing great. You're in tune with your body. You're still breathing. You're doing just fine. Your body is safe. You too are safe. If your heart feels like it's only continuing to race even faster, now I invite you to lay completely flat onto the ground. And if you are already flat on the ground, on your back, flip over to your front side. Allow your chest to be in connection with the earth as much as possible. And give your body a moment to slow down. With your hands also on the earth, palms facing down. Feeling what the earth feels like below you. If you're inside and you feel a cool wooden floor, or if you feel the soft touch of carpet, or if you feel the dampness of the wet grass underneath you, allowing yourself to feel, allowing yourself to connect, gently placing your head down onto the earth as well, with your eyes closed, really drawing into this moment, drawing into the core of the earth, listening deeply for that heartbeat. Not your heartbeat, the one of Mother Earth. Breathe in deep. Hold. Release. Now continuing to breathe slowly and gently. allowing our breath to come as it feels it needs. In, 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, release. 1, 2, 3, in. 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, release. 1, 2, 3, in. 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, release. 1, 2, 3, in. 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, release. 1, 2, 3, falling deeper and deeper into the earth, feeling her pull you in as if to give you a hug. Imagine her arms around you, telling you, you are just fine, my child. Inhale deep. 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, release. 1, 2, 3, inhale. 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, release. 1, 2, 3, connecting, feeling, experiencing. How does it feel to join as one with the earth? Feel that rhythm. Feel your body falling into that rhythm, into that beat, into the soul of this earth, into the soul that is you. Feeling yourself present in this moment, continuing to feel and enrich your connection with the earth. Saying some of these affirmations aloud to yourself or silently in your head, and breathing between each one. I am safe in my body. Breathe, release. God is in control. Breathe. I have control over my body. Breathe. Release. I am divine magic. Exceptions are always made for me. Breathe. Relaxing. Breathing. My body is safe where I'm at. I am safe. As a result of this practice, you might find yourself falling asleep. You might find yourself comfortably dozing off. Your heart no longer a thought on your mind. And that tells you that it's working. Allow your body to release what it needs to release. And trust yourself, you are fine. You are safe. And now that you know your mind is in control, you have control of your life. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. You can continue to come back to this practice as many times as you need it. Sometimes it's not a full-blown panic attack. Sometimes it's just being out of breath or getting nervous before a big day. Whatever it is, allow yourself to make your way here and get reminded how to get rid of that angst and anxiety in a very short amount of time. Get cozy and comfortable in your practice, in your days. Have faith. Things always turn out better than expected. You're doing great, and your body is healthy, and you're strong. Continue on this journey, and I will see you in the next meeting. May our souls meet again. Let's say a prayer before we end. God, Spirit, angels, ancestors, I call upon you to arise in this moment. Uganjani, ngabongakakhulu. God, I ask that you make your way into our lives, into our bodies. Allow these bodies that we have to relax. God, take away the fear, take away the anxiety, the stress that is upon all of us. Allow our heartbeats to slow to a steady and smooth rhythm. Allow us to have trust in our minds and our bodies and our hearts to take care of us. Trust that we know what we're talking about and we know what to do to keep ourselves happy and healthy. Please keep our minds off of those things that do not serve us. Remove any barriers, any burdens, any hindrances that have been in the way, and make way for all that is new, all that is pleasing, all that is beauty. God, carry us, carry our souls, carry our minds. Allow us to be made new in this moment. Remove every and anything that is not serving us and allow us to be new. Thank you for the gift of this life. Allow us to make it a life well lived. Thank you for this day. Thank you for this night. Bismillah to all of us on this new journey. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for joining me today on this practice. I pray that you have a little bit of ease. I pray that you have learned how to settle your heart when it's racing, to settle your mind and bring yourself down to this earth. Allow the earth to be a mechanism of healing, not just in panic, but in every day. She is so powerful and she's here for every one of us. Allow yourself to have ease, get some rest. You're doing just fine. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you again soon. Gently open your eyes or close your eyes and continue to rest. I love you. I see you. Peace.